What's up, YouTube? This is Gallagher123123. Today I got a really nice wall clock. This is a vintage chiming wall clock that I got at a yard sale. I have no idea how old it is. I know on the bottom sighted person was able to see it said made in Korea. So this must be a Korean clock. And I don't know if you can hear this or not. Actually, you definitely can. It has a really loud tick to it. So this is an 8-day wind-up clock. So you have to wind it about once a week using a very small key. This little key you wind up the clock with. Now, I'm not going to do a video on that, but if people would like it, a video on clock winding, maybe I'll do so. So we'll go back over here. It's almost 7, so the clock is going to strike soon. But before that, I'll just show you that there's a little thing to open the face to wind it. I'm not going to open it because I'm afraid I'll accidentally stop the clock. And then down here is another opening where the pendulum is. So both of those can be opened. Now, I must say, this keeps very accurate time. I'm very, very impressed with it. Let's have a look at the time. Okay. Now you may have just heard a little sound, and that was the gears of this clock getting ready to go off. I've noticed that on other old clocks, they make a little jiggle type sound. And I hear it especially just a little bit before the hour strike. I'm really impressed though, this keeps very good time. And I don't know, this could be as old as probably the 20s and probably as new as the 40s, I don't know. I have no idea how old it was. Or how old it is. Now this may be loud, I just want to warn you. So there it is. That's what this clock sounds like, and it strikes on the half an hours too. I'll give a close-up of its face. It's got Roman numerals on it, but it's not too bad. Actually, I've started getting used to Roman numerals with this clock. It's quite accurate. And again, we'll get a look at the pendulum swinging. You can hear the pendulum clicking back and forth. So, it's a really nice clock. Hope you've enjoyed this little video of it striking. And let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.